In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business card in Canva with QR code. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Canva. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so your work saves automatically. In the Canva homepage, click the search bar and type business card with QR code. Hit enter or click the search icon to see results. Make sure you're viewing templates so you get ready-made designs you can customize quickly. Browse the options, pick a style that fits your brand, and select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now let's personalize the text. Click any text on the card to activate the toolbar. To change the font, open the font dropdown, scroll through the list and select the style you like. Keep readability in mind. Clean, professional fonts are best for small printed items. Adjust the size using the plus and minus controls until it feels balanced on the card. For color, click the A icon with the color underline, then choose a shade that matches your brand palette. Aim for strong contrast between text and background so details like your name and title are easy to read. You can also change the background color. Click the card's background, then use the color chip at the top to open the color panel. Scroll to explore options and choose a color that complements your text. If you're using dark text, stay with a lighter background and vice versa to maintain clarity. Next, let's create your QR code. Open a new tab and go to heylink.me, then sign in. Paste your social or website link where prompted and click Generate QR code. When it's ready, download it as a PNG so it stays crisp. Head back to your Canva tab. In the left sidebar, click Uploads, then Upload Files and select the PNG you just saved. When it appears in your uploads, click and drag it onto the business card. Move and resize it so it looks intentional and doesn't crowd important information. Leave some clear space around the QR code to help scanners read it. Avoid placing it over busy patterns and keep it large enough to scan reliably. Try scanning it from your screen with your phone to confirm it works. Also, position it away from edges so nothing gets trimmed during printing. Once everything looks polished, the font, size, colors, background, and QR placement, you're done. You've created a professional business card in Canva with a working QR code that guides people straight to your link.